Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Friday, June 28th. This is David and I want to talk about triangles today because they set up really the perfect trade here in the S&P 500 and may have a clue as to what to expect next. In the Elliott wave world, triangles occur in very specific contexts within trend moves, and in Elliott wave, trend moves have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure. Triangles only occur in the fourth wave. And that's because in any sort of pattern, triangles are always going to be the next to last in a sequence. And in a 5-wave move, next to last is going to be the fourth. So when we're in a trend like the uptrend that we've been in for quite a long period of time and at multiple different degrees, right? When we get a triangle, that suggests we're going to get continuation like we had here into this, what was at the time prior to today, the all-time high here in the S&P 500. And so when we saw this triangle forming back here, it told us to expect not just one thing, but two things. It told us to expect another push to the upside to a fresh all-time high above what we had seen back here at the Voodoo snowline. But it also warned us that after that thrust upwards out of the triangle, we should expect a pullback. And that's exactly what we got, right? About a week of pullback from last Thursday's high into back here yesterday, Thursday of this week, again forming what looked like an Elliott wave triangle, which in addition to price action which converges, needs to see a corrective pattern down and up and down and up and down. And you can see how it all converged into late yesterday. So once again, we had a reason to expect more upside. After all, we were in a larger uptrend and the action had a counter trend appearance, corrections including triangles or counter trend moves, and then it says, okay, look for one more. But just like we saw in the smaller triangle a couple weeks ago, we expect this move to be terminal. If this is the next to last in a sequence, the push upwards is going to be the last. So seeing the triangle yesterday, we got long and booked the profits this morning once that uptrend started to wane, and it looked like we had done enough from that for that thrust from a triangle. And now if we're going to continue up, we need to reset and see any pullback such as what started from today's new fresh all-time high. We need to see that pullback have a counter trend corrective structure. Otherwise, what could be the last leg up right in here of a sequence from the end of May might actually be the end of something even bigger and lead to an even larger pullback before we continue up. So I'll discuss how we'll track that and figure out what to expect from here in the premium video, but I hope you found this discussion of how we trade triangles useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.